How to install the DIN power supply version of EASYKIT. Begin by installing the power supply. This part of the installation should be carried out by a qualified installer. Ensure safe isolation procedures are followed before starting any work. The power supply requires a space of 3 DIN modules. The power supply requires a live and neutral 230-volt connection from an appropriately rated protection device and power source. Complete the wiring of the electrical circuit to the power supply by terminating the live cable to the bottom left terminal and the neutral to the bottom right terminal. The internal unit wires terminate to the top connections on the power supply. Details of this connection can be found on page 5 of the manual. When the electrical wiring is complete, ensure the power supply and all electrical devices are safely enclosed before switching the power on. The provided power plug must be used and connected to the monitor's power supply cable. Details of this connection can be found on page 4. Connection, assembly and mounting of the outdoor unit. Mount the rain shield on the wall at a recommended height between 135 and 165 centimeters using the provided screws and dowels. Use a spirit level to ensure it's horizontally straight. Use the provided security key to open the entrance panel. Remove the lower cover to allow access to the fixing screw. Remove the connector block for easier termination. Terminate the wires in D1 and D2. The other end of these wires terminates to the monitor on connections D1 and D2. These must correspond. Consult the provided wiring schematic for more information. Plug the terminated connector block back into the entrance panel. Hang the top of the entrance panel onto the hooks in the rain shield. Use the provided M2.5 Torx screw to fix the entrance panel to the rain shield. Replace the fixing screw cover using the security key and screws. The monitor mounts to the wall using a metal bracket. Fix the bracket to the wall using the provided screws and dowels. Mount the monitor at a recommended height of 160 centimeters. Use a spirit level to ensure it's horizontally straight. All EASYKIT monitors install in the same way. The 2-wire cable terminates to the D1 and D2 connection plug. Insert the power plug into the socket marked Power In. Hook the monitor onto the wall mounting plate. Use the Auto Power On feature to test the monitor after powering on the system.